So you've got your down payment ready for your next home, but would you like more? The Government of Canada has a new program starting soon where they will top up your down payment. My name is Chamberlain with the Chamberlain Real Estate Group.
And my name is Chad Moore with Canada Mortgage Direct. On September 2nd, 2019, the federal government is rolling out a new first-time homebuyers incentive program.
So here's what we are going to cover in this short video. 1, who is this program for? Secondly, how does it work? And third, how is it going to help you?
This program is for first-time homebuyers. So if you're purchasing a home for the first time, are separating from a common law or marital relationship, or have been a previous homeowner and have been renting for 4 years, you're eligible for this program.
And you'll also need to have at least the minimum 5% down payment or a down payment amount less than 20% of the purchase price to be able to use this incentive program.
Here's how this program works in 3 easy steps. First, the Government of Canada will give you an additional 5% down payment if you purchase a resale home, and up to 10% additional down payment if you purchase a new home from a builder.
Now secondly, this really isn't free money. What you get has to be repaid when you sell your home or after 25 years, whichever comes first. The repayment of the money will be based on the market value of your home at the time of the sale or at the 25-year mark. There are no other timelines, no other repayment restrictions, and you can pay this money back earlier at any time interest-free.
Thirdly, applicants will need to go through regular mortgage qualifying steps, and the incentive money won't help you qualify for a higher value of home.
So here's where the free money comes in. Because the government's extra down payment, the mortgage amount you pay per month is lower. So in some cases, your monthly mortgage payment could be up to $200 per month lower.
That's right. You will save money monthly on the amounts, but you will need to repay the total amount given to you, but it's an interest-free loan.
And I also think it's fair to mention that the government does have limited funding for this program. So if you'd like to discuss this more, click the link in the description to start chatting with us directly, or if you'd rather give us a call, you can reach out to us at 587-316-5400. Enjoy your day.